AutoTrack boosts your productivity by up to 14% and is now available at low speeds down to 100 meters per hour. AutoTrack reduces fuel, fertilizer and chemical input cost while adding premium comfort. Connect AutoTrack to the John Deere Operations Center to back up and maintain your AutoTrack setup data, like machine and implement offsets, boundaries and guidance lines. With the John Deere Operations Center, you get full Farm Office software on top for free, including 5 years of JD Link Connect to exchange data wirelessly between your machine and your office. Upgrade the integrated Generation 4 Command Center display with a Gen 4 Premium activation to access advanced automation functionalities like section control, AutoTrack Vision, and ISO XML documentation, fully certified by the AEF. And easily share your data with trusted partners like agronomic consultants. With a Gen 4 Ultimate activation, you unlock the full potential of the Command Center. AutoTrack Turn Automation gives you fully automated turns for perfect headlands, while AutoTrack Implement Guidance brings you the benefits of implement drift compensation in hilly terrain. Access the full range of intelligent solutions at a great price. The new 7R and 8R series, unstoppable.